Power on. Press and hold until the indicator light lights up. Red light network, connecting offline. Green light, network connected online. Power off. Short press 6 times, then long press on the 7th until the red light stops flashing. If short presses don't work, it's off. Magnetic charging is super easy. The red light means it's charging. Remove, pry open the rubber cover. Press the SIM card to pop it out. Install. Insert the SIM card, chip side down into the angled slot. Press to lock it, then close the cover. Installation. Take off one silicone strap, wrap it around your pet's collar or harness, then clip it back on the device.